My people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name na Anthony, your anchor man for First State Immigrant Solution. In case if you never subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that anytime where I take upload new video, I'll be the first person to be notified. So Moku can talk concerning the things will make me come this evening. So the reason will make me come show my face this evening be say I say make I can talk concerning those of our brothers and sisters where they stranded for any part of the world where they foresee themselves, whether they go for holiday or they go for visit or they go see their family or they go do business or they go do one thing or the other. Now I can say make I can shook my mouth put for wetin government they try me they do concerning their matter. According to wetin the Mayo Fair talk concerning the law where it drop on the 27th of April this year, where it come talk say any document wey no say expire for this pandemic period, which is this corona period, this document may they allow them travel without any re-entrance visa, and this document still valid until 31st of August 2020. Now therefore contact say make all consulates make they try make they no use this pandemic make they take suffer our brothers and sisters. And so it talk for the letter where it drop on the 4th of May 2020 to all consulates around the world. Now they can drop that letter. When after they drop that letter finish, now I can see say make I can see shook my mouth put for that letter where it drop. Then I can see go send email to Nigeria consulate where Italian consulate where they Lagos. So if you know say you dey Nigeria and you want write email to this Italian consulate, I go drop the link for the description of this video below, and the email see their website, and the email now I want also na lagos.consulare@esteri.it. Now there now you send any personal information where you know say you want ask the consulate, you fit ask her. The only people where they feel allow make they fit travel when they call those consulate, if you know say you get Italian citizen. For our brothers and sisters wey they carry permit of stay, they work out they call permission sojourner, wetin they fit do if you know say you dey stranded for Italy, your documents still dey valid till on the 31st of August 2020, except say they will modify that date if there is need. But for now, concerning the Europe matter, so they say all European countries they get right to open their border to any country where they want open to, because of say you need to protect your own country. So now all of them come they look at the ofite, they open their own border small. Some don't still open on the 3rd of June, while some never still open. But that of Italy, because of say the coronavirus tear power well for Italy, now make they say on the 15th or on the 16th, now they will start to be open to Italian people small. So due to that, now make international flight never feel move except you get European citizen. Now all those people now they use European flight fit take carry through London or England before they fit take land for Italy gidigba. Then now yesterday be the first international flight wey land for Bologna na Air France as at 8:30 a.m. yesterday. Now the flight land gidigba. So we don't dey see the small light say they'll soon open the border, but they know you open up once they'll start to dey open up small. So if Nigeria don't open their own say they fit travel, then European don't still open their airspace, we will fit travel without any problem. Then how you fit take start if you know say your document expire? What you do? So I want make you take note of this email where I want drop for this video. So lagos.consulare@esteri.it, which is lagos.consulare@esteri.it. It say if you know say you dey stranded, write them this letter stating the things wey make you dey stranded for Nigeria. Tell them say your permit of stay expire, and due to this coronavirus, you write this letter to this embassy. Attach all your documents wey you know say you expire to the mail, And this embassy, they don't start to dey open from 9 a.m. in the morning to 12 noon in the afternoon, from Monday to Friday. You can book appointment. So if there is any need for them to send you any information, if you write them mail, they'll tell you what to do, because they say if maybe you dey stranded at the end of the day, after you don't send the email to them, they'll tell you if there is a need for you to apply for this re-entrance visa or the entry visa. So this re-entry visa, the manufacturer say maybe they will not ask them, but if they said you must apply, you have to state the reason why you dey reapply, because of say your permit of stay expired due to this pandemic coronavirus wey affect everybody around the world. And once you don apply, the money wey you take apply na 116 na the state for the website wey I see today. So it means say other money fit add join am, not as we Nigeria be, they must only put their own money. So may you make sure say may you start to the anytime where the flight open, may you start to the move small, may you know what to do at the right time. So now, so the concerning this re-entrance visa be, and after you don't send all your expired document, whether thief or anything where you do, if not thief, the thief your document, make sure say you get police report where you state that say they thief your document. But if your document expire, also state that, then you make a photocopy of those documents and all your working contract stating the reason why you are returning back to Italy. Then send those email to them. Then you also write a letter, also a formal letter, where you take inform them, say the reason why you need to return back to Italy. After you don't write all these letters, so, and they still need a Lula Osta, whether they call clearance from the questora, where you know say you forget that document. After you don't do them, they'll give you re-entry visa, so that once you reach here, you'll feel renew your document. Now, say may I come quick give una this little informate. May I tell encourage una say, you know me say una document don't expire, more una start to the lament say how one can do nana. We don't already this Nigeria will not fit travel. You not talk like that, you fit travel. So all this law is there where una fit use to write to our consulate where dey Nigeria. Now say make I tell you. So if I say our consulate, I mean say Italian consulate where dey Lagos or Port Harcourt or Abuja. So more not forget to hit the subscribe button and click like if you like this video. If you also have any other question, drop your comment below, so I will answer any question wey una ask me for this my channel. Thank you very much. Una bye bye. God bless.